Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to transfer your Instagram account to another phone. So if you are in another phone, the only thing you need to do is go to the application of Instagram, and in the account, any account is open in this device. The only thing you need to do is go to the option of your profile in the down part of the feed, and you need to go to the part of your name, of your nickname in this account, and you pick here in this arrow, in this button, and you get the option of add an Instagram account. So you pick here, and you need to pick here in log into existing account. You pick here, and after that, I got some another accounts in this account, but this is a new account. The only thing you need to do is pick here in switch accounts, or you can put here in this account you put in login. But if you wanna enter with a new account, you pick here in signing up, and you need to choose the username and create the account. But if you got a new account, you pick here in switch accounts, and the only thing you need to do is put the email of your account and the password, and you can log in this new account in this new device. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.